Morning, welcome to another vlog. So I was actually going to do a get rid of me this morning, but as always I'm in a rush. Gotta go. So yeah, I'm ready now to leave the house finally. Yeah, I'm gonna take you with me to a very exciting event today. So yeah, we're gonna go all the way. Background mess as usual. So literally last minute I started checking my directions, how I'm getting there. I always do this literally as I'm leaving the door. That's when I'm trying to find out where I'm going. But yeah, just found out. So hubby's kindly dropping me to the station. And yeah, I'm gonna get on the train. It says it's gonna be about an hour, so a little bit long, but how am I gonna keep myself entertained? I don't know. But yeah. So I'm in London City. I'm just by Temple Station, and look at the view behind me. London makes me happy. Thank you. So I am at the Dunelm show. Got invited, which I'm so excited about because I've always loved Dunelm for a very long time, and some of their pieces that they have here are extraordinary, quite very high-end dupes, and not even dupes actually, like just the design process behind it is very thoughtful into what's coming up and what's new. So I'm going to show you a few pieces that I love and that you guys are going to love as well. So this room that I'm in is for furniture. And if I just show you this highlights some of the statement chairs. Look at these. And some of these are in the room, so I'll show you. So this is one. I've actually got something similar to this, but mine is grey, and I wish I had something like this actually, because this goes better with my style upcoming. This as well is just classic. I think it will go on for quite a long time because of the way it is. This looks so nice as well. Look at this cute chair, this kid's chair. It's very nice. And this as well. I think that's a kid's chair as well. How cute. I'm actually going to get this for the kids' room. So yeah, this is going to be really nice. This striped armchair is very classic and traditional. Looks very high-end. Because I've got the eye for high-end furniture, I know what's out there and what kind of pieces they have, and believe me when I say they don't just look high-end, but they are quite really good quality as well. So that's the furniture stuff in here.
Around small spaces, quite minimal, sort of city apartment living. So kind of all the pieces are really around using the most out of your space. So things like, a glass table, so it sort of, you can see through it, so it doesn't look really big in the room, and like the chairs and everything being quite sort of thin, and they really sort of push under.
In awe.
But
so nice.
But yeah, so this is our church gate range.
Okay.
So this is almost to, I guess, compare with the likes of like Neptune.
Okay.
So like really high quality. It's more like solid oak.
Yeah.
And with these pieces, basically they kind of come separately.
Yeah.
So you can mix and match. So like the bottom you can get, and then you get the top separately.
Yeah.
So you could have, like, if you wanted more of the bottoms, and you can completely. There's some of them are slightly different.
Okay.
So then you can kind of build it however.
Yeah, how it suits the space. Yeah.
Exactly.
I like the finish in the doors as well.
Colour's gorgeous, isn't it?
Yeah. So nice.
actually collaborated with the Natural History Museum on all of these pieces. So everything is kind of working in conjunction with them. So like all of these prints, this is like the actual architecture of the museum. So it's really amazing. And yeah, those are like almost giftable pieces in this collection as well.
So nice.
More or less. And when we do the rest of the drinks, we've got 3 drinks we're doing together, 2 that you guys are making, and 1 is a little present from me at the end, which I absolutely love. So if you want to add more sweetness or less sweetness as we go, feel free. As you'll notice, I'm not being particularly accurate with my measurements. I help you get a bit more accurate, but it's not essential that we are religious when it comes to making sure that we nail each and every one of these recipes. Lastly, a margarita often calls for a triple sec, which is like an orange. And then around 75 ml of the Prosecco.
Well, we knew it was going to be messy, didn't we? Right, so the room that I'm in, it has a style called Artisan, which is what the designers have kind of come up with, this concept. And it's kind of like an enhanced version of a bohemian style, boho. So let me just show you some of the pieces. Firstly, can I just show you this? This is so nice. So nice. This checker style is quite in style at the moment. It's definitely going to be up and coming in trends. This lovely sofa here. And this artwork is just so unique. I love the texture. This is definitely coming up and coming with the wood pieces as well. I'm actually looking for a dining table and I haven't found one, and this is something that I will definitely think about purchasing. No, let's take the think out. Definitely going to purchase. Just need it a little bit darker to go with the room because of the chairs that I have at the moment. But this red style, which I'm going to show you another piece, is definitely coming up in trend. So they're saying that hopefully there'll be a darker version, probably black or dark oak, in this table. So yeah, so nice. That statement chair was beautiful. And this, when I saw this, when I was doing the tour, I was just like, oh, I absolutely love. Yes, I've been looking for something similar to this, so I'm going to wait for this to come out and I'm going to purchase this. And this mirror over here is definitely my style at the moment. £70. £70 for this. That is definitely a bargain. If you have the eye that I have, I've seen this obviously before. It's so much more expensive than that if you go to other stores. £70. Yeah. So yeah, this is the Artisan style. As a VIP member, Upper Marcus Square. It's in Stratford, Westfield. It's a new development that is up for rent, and as I'm going to show you in the tour, you get so much out of just renting this apartment. This is a model of the surrounding area, so Stratford, and this is the model of the development. So the one that we're in right now is the one that's just started, and then behind me, you'll see here, they are building a lot more. They said it's going to take a capacity of, say, just under 2k residential homes. It's absolutely amazing here. So yeah, watch the tour, see what we see, and let me know in the comments what you think about it as well.
24-hour security, 24-hour concierge, and 24 hours to swim in the pool of inclusive living. Live in a place where you can feel like Queen Elizabeth or King. With Olympic Park on one platform and Westfield on the other. Lee bridges from Woven Forest to Forest Gates. gated with a prepaid first class, East class ticket to a station that's filled with food to go and places to stay. Caught in the cultural breeze, but it's never too cold for a cinnamon pretzel. For your journey on the DLR. Next stop, Canary Wharf.
It's like lighting, so yeah, I had to spend all day going in every little bit of the giraffe print, making sure that I didn't get it on any of the skin, if that makes sense, so that it was only on the pattern. So yeah, it took me a whole day.
Hey, so I'm here with the lovely Jade Van Rel. Looking beautiful.
Oh, thank you. So do you.
So yeah, we're at this tour. We're gonna go on a tour. This is what I've been itching for.
Yeah,
for
this
the
is the
tour.
part. I want to
Yes.
see the houses.
Exactly. This is just our vibe. So
We're excited.
Yeah.
But it's been nice.
It has been nice.
Yeah.
It's a nice area, nice scenery.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's been a nice brunch as well. We've just done some artwork.
Yeah.
Which
Not
mine,
creation.
Yeah,
That's
that's
yours,
Jade.
that's mine.
Yeah, mine is a flop. Jade's is actually quite nice.
It's okay. It's random.
Yeah,
But yeah.
but it looks good. It looks good. So yeah, now we're, oh gosh, stop.
There we go.
Yeah, it's better. Now we're gonna go on the tour. So see you in
We're
a
going to
sec.
go on tour. Yeah. Oh, I can smell the prints. I know it.
A little show for
So nice in here. This is the life we should be living. So nice and warm. It's so fresh.
Bar to Pilates to yoga to meditation, and obviously we'll be doing that right here, so you can just kind of come from your apartment straight in, and then you can just lie back and probably fall asleep after yoga if you're anything like me.
So this is an example of one of the apartments in here. Just I'll show you around in a second. But yeah, I love the pop of colours, as you can see. So they said it's fully furnished, but you can also add your like bits to it as well. Like if you wanted to paint the wall pink or whatever, you can do that. But you just have to put the house how it was when you first made it, when you move out. Yeah, so furniture is provided. You can get consultation with John Lewis. I hope I'm speaking loud enough, but yeah. This is one of the large one-bedroom apartments. I love the dark cultural, the dark cupboards, is what to say. It's really nice. So I hope you enjoyed the tour. I hope you gave us some inspiration. I particularly like this. This is definitely something I want to do in future. Just live in luxury, and it's just a full package. You're paying for just not the accommodation, but you're paying also for a way of life, really, because You know, you can wake up in the morning, go use the spa, go to the gym. It's just incredible. It literally is. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.